In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for task management. Asana is a brilliant tool that can help streamline your workflow and boost productivity, whether you're coordinating individual tasks or managing complex projects involving multiple team members. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana homepage by typing in the URL in your address bar. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. On this page, you can easily create a new account. Just follow the prompts, usually starting with inputting your email address. Alternatively, if you already have an Asana account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in or signed up, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. From here, let's jump into creating a new project. To do this, look for the option to add a new project. Click on it and you'll be presented with two choices. Use a pre-existing template or start from scratch by creating a blank project. If you're new to Asana, templates can be a convenient way to get a feel for structuring projects. But for today's purpose, let's create a blank project. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to name your project. Choose a name that is descriptive and easily recognizable for your team. Once you've entered a suitable name, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, decide how you want to view your project. Asana offers several viewing options such as List View or Board View, each of which provides a different way of organizing and interacting with your tasks. Choose the one that best suits your needs and then click on Create Project to finalize the setup. With your project now set up, it's time to start adding tasks. Simply click to add a new task within your project. Here, you have the opportunity to detail what needs to be done, assign the task to a member of your team, and set a due date to keep everyone on track. You can even make the tasks more structured by adding subtasks if necessary. To further customize and optimize your project, make use of Asana's extensive features. Click on Customize to explore options like creating forms for data collection, automating processes with rules, or adding custom fields for extra context. These features can greatly enhance the project management experience by tailoring it to fit specific needs. Finally, don't forget to explore Asana's other features such as the My Tasks section, where you can see all tasks assigned to you, or dive deeper into Asana's capabilities by navigating through other sections. By doing so, you'll uncover a wealth of tools and functions that can further enhance your project management efficiency. And that's it for today's guide to using Asana for task management. With these steps, you can start managing your projects more effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.